Hey guys, thanks for joining me. This is Kay back at it with a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy way to fix your tire. You remember how you used to have to go, or you probably still doing that, going to a tire shop and then, the guy, he want to charge whatever, he want to charge you, and it's like an inconvenience because now you got to go somewhere and get it fixed, and you got to put your spare tire on to get to the tire shop. Well, I'm going to show you an easy way to do it. Right here, I don't know if you can see it. I got a nail in the tire. Can you see that? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this product that I've been using for the last, 3 years, maybe going on 4. It's called Slime. Now, and you're probably looking at this. This is a liquid. And the way it works is it seals the tire all the way around. So once I take this nail out and I put this slime in it, it's going to seal all the way around the tire. And they claim that it'll last up to 2 years, even if you get another puncture. Now, I'll be honest with you, I have not had any problems using this product. I use it on my truck, I use it on my car, and you don't even have to take the tire off. All you have to do is just let all the air out of the tire. So what I'm gonna do, I'm trying to videotape and work, so excuse me. So I'm gonna try to take this nail out. See if I can get it. Okay. So I took the nail out, and you can hear the air blowing through it, right? So make sure you toss this so you don't get it back in another tire. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to let all the air out. And the way you do that is, on this cap that they give you, it's like, can you see that? It's got like a groove in it. Let me turn this off. Hold on a second. Wrong one. Hold on 1 second, guys. That's my air compressor going off. What's it plugged into? Oh, right here. No, same one. So, sorry about that. I had my loud compressor turn on and I couldn't hear myself think. But as you can see, it's like a slit in the top of this cap with the slime. And the way it works is you take this slit and it goes into your stem like this. And then you just turn it counterclockwise, just like that. See? Turn it. You can hear all the air shooting out. And whatever you do, don't lose this stem because you got to put this back in. So what we're going to do, we're going to let all the air go out. Okay, so once you get all the air out of the tire, you're going to take this stem that you screwed out of there counterclockwise, and then you're just going to gently, I'm sorry, I'm going a little too fast. So you take the stem back out. I forgot one most important thing that I have to do. It's kind of hard doing it. Okay, so let's try it again. I took the stem back out. See this straw right here? Can you see that? Okay, so now this goes over your tires now. And I would recommend that you have the stem at the bottom, not at the top, because it's easier to put it in. And if you're working in a cold area and the bottle is cold, you might want to kind of sit it next to a heater, not right next to it, but close to it where it can kind of warm up the liquid. So this way you can easily squirt it in. So what you got to do is Now this is a 32-ounce bottle. So for the regular tire, you only need half of this. So you need 16 ounces. So roughly for a bottle this size, you need about half of it. So I'm gonna put the rest of this in, and then we're gonna get back to you. Okay, so as you can see, I emptied out the bottle. Now, what you do is, if you notice right here, they have like a marker, and it tells you how much, once you start emptying out the bottle, where you would be. And see the 16 ounce? So, I would say for a regular car tire, even in my truck, I use 16 ounces and it worked just as well. This bottle right here, I think it cost me $16 for this amount. And I can tell you that the stuff really works. So let's get back to it. All right. So then you take your stem, and all you do is this way. Now you're going to put it in clockwise. So just like that. See? Just like that. You just screw it back in till it gets snug and tight. Don't over tighten it, right? Now you pull this back off. Kind of clean it up a little. And now it's time to put some air in the tire. Now what you want to do is, once you fill it up, and I always put my car tires, I put 32 pounds of pressure, which is 32 PSI, right? Okay, so once you do that, then, drive on the car for about maybe a mile or, 4 blocks or something, because you want that liquid to circulate around the tire, okay? So let's put some air in the tire. It's always good to have an air compressor. They only cost like $100. It's, save you a lot of money. Okay, so what I did was I turned the tire up. So this way, the gel can kind of move around, in the tire. Okay, so I put the air in the tire. I put 32 pounds of pressure. Put my tire gauge on it. And it's got, see if you can see that. Camera won't let me do it. It's got 32 pounds of pressure, okay? So then all you do is, like I say, you can do this. You really don't have to take the tire off the car. All you have to do is let all the air out of the tire, see if you got a nail in there. And really all you have to do is just go around the tire like this. And if it's the front tire, then all you do is just turn the tire to the right or to the left. This way, you'll know where that nail is located. It's kind of blurring out on me. Oh, okay, so it's back again. So that's all it is. Again, all you have to do is, and I got this you can get it at an auto parts store or you can get it at Walmart. And again, all you have to do is, just to recap, you just take this cap that comes with it. See if I can find it. And then you just put it in the inside of your stem, go counterclockwise, gently now, and then screw it out, sit that to the side, and then squeeze this in there just like this. That's all you have to do. Now, this takes a little time, especially if it's kind of cold out. So you may want to kind of warm it up. But other than that, and then just look at it from time to time where you are. So a bottle this size, 32 full ounces, you only need half of it. So you only need 16 ounces, and then just fill it up with air and you're good to go. Now that I do have the tire off, I'm doing I'm rotating my tires, and look at my other video on how to rotate tires. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And basically, all I'm doing here is taking a little brake cleaner and just clean around since I got the tire off. And, clean everything up before I put it back on. Well, that's all I have for you. Again, this is Kay, back at it with a new video. Press like if you like my video, and don't forget to subscribe.